Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing basics: tripod, clean lens, and do not disturb. Set camera to 4K at 30 or 1080 at 60 depending on storage. Higher resolution helps cropping. Lock exposure and focus by holding the subject area, then slide to set exposure compensation. Mount the phone at eye level and compose using the rule of thirds for natural framing. Once set, record a short test clip to confirm audio and lighting. This saves retakes and shows whether you need a reflector or softer light. You now solve two crucial problems: sound and motion. Clip on a lavalier or use a compact shotgun mic. Monitor levels with headphones so dialogue stays clear. For lighting, position a soft key light at about 45 degrees and add a fill to remove harsh shadows. When outdoors, face the light or use open shade. To move, enable image stabilization or use a gimbal and make short, deliberate pushes and pans so the viewer feels present without motion sickness. You wrap up by capturing variety. Take wide, medium, and close shots to give your edit options, then back up footage immediately. In editing, trim for pace, balance color and exposure, and lower music to about -12 dB so speech stays dominant. Export in H. 264 or HEVC for quality and file size. If you hit problems like noisy audio, try noise reduction and EQ. Or record a short voiceover to replace unusable lines. That single fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.